Keurig K-Elite. The coffee maker that'll ruin you for all others. Tired of waiting for your coffee to brew while life passes you by? The Keurig K-Elite delivers piping hot, barista-level coffee in under a minute, no long lines, no fuss. Whether you want a stronger brew to kickstart your day or a refreshing iced coffee to keep cool, this machine does it all with a single button press. Unlike those one-trick pony coffee makers, this bad boy lets you choose 5 brew sizes, 4 to 12 ounces, strength control, and even hot water on demand. If convenience had a caffeine-fueled superhero, this would be it. Why drop $5 daily at a coffee shop when you can get cafe-quality perfection at home? The K-Elite doesn't just save you money, it saves your patience. With its massive 75-ounce water reservoir, you can brew up to 8 cups before refilling, meaning fewer morning hassles. Running late? No problem. This machine brews so fast it practically time travels. Plus, the hot water feature means instant soups, teas, and oatmeal are just a button away. Less waiting, more living, because you've got better things to do than babysit a coffee pot. Other coffee makers give you whatever coffee they feel like, not this one. The strong brew option lets you crank up the boldness for a richer taste, while the temperature control ensures your coffee is hot, not lukewarm disappointment. Prefer iced coffee? The iced setting brews it strong and smooth, never watered down. Plus, with hundreds of K-Cup options and a My K-Cup reusable filter, sold separately, you can enjoy anything from gourmet espresso to a cozy chamomile tea. It's like having a personal cafe in your kitchen, minus the attitude from your barista. Looks aren't everything, but let's be real, this brushed slate beauty makes cheap plastic coffee makers look like sad toys. Crafted for style, strength, and long-term reliability, the K-Elite is built to handle daily use like a champ. The removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall, and the Brewer maintenance reminder keeps your machine running at peak performance. No gimmicks, no breakdowns, just consistent, high-quality coffee for years to come. The Keurig K-Elite isn't just a coffee maker, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for the go-getters, the hustlers, the caffeine connoisseurs who want perfection without the hassle. Compared to outdated drip machines or overpriced cafe stops, this is a no-brainer investment in flavor, speed, and convenience. Whether you love strong, steaming hot coffee or iced refreshment, this machine does it faster, better, and without the mess. So why wait? Level up your coffee game today, your future, highly caffeinated self will thank you.